Hey everybody, it's Dan over here at Smoke Daddy Inc. and Pellet Pro Grills. You know, we've been offering this Pellet Pro Hopper assembly for quite a few years for custom pellet smokers. And it's designed to where you can mount it on the left side of an application. Well, we have a lot of customers that want to put it on the right side of an application with the controller facing you. So what we decided to do was make the hole for the outlet the same size as the controller, so you can easily switch those around so that when you put it on the right side, the controller is facing forward. So that's what we're going to do right now. But what you'll need is a couple zip ties, Phillips head screwdriver, a small flathead screwdriver, some pliers for the backing nuts, and a pair of scissors or snips for the zip ties as well. So first off, we are going to remove these 4 Phillips head screws on the bottom so we can remove the bottom perforated plate. Alright everybody, so now that we got the cover plate off, what we're going to do now is we're going to take off these zip ties for the wiring harness. Just like that. And then we're going to use our Phillips head screwdriver to remove the controller and the outlet. So there's 2 screws on the controller. Take those off. And then the outlets, so we're going to remove the 2 furthest screws here. Okay. And then going back to the controller, you can see that there's these 2 leads for the RTD probe. We're going to have to remove those and then move the RTD probes to this side, the RTD wires. So we're going to take our small flathead screwdriver. They disconnect from the back of the controller. And the easiest way I found to do this is just to make sure the wires are nice and straight. I'll put a slight curve on them, and then I go from the underneath here and then carefully drag them over to the other side and grab them with your other hand. Just like that. So now our RTD wires are on this side. I can go ahead, take the controller out, take the outlet out, and we're going to swap sides. Put this one on this side, and the controller on this side. And then we can take our RTD probe wires and reattach those to the green terminal. And it doesn't matter which side goes into which. There's no polarity with the wires, so they can go into the terminal any other way. So we'll tighten those down. Put the controller back in its place. And then we're going to reinstall the wires. Thank you. Reinstall the screws here. Just like that, not too tight. You want to break the controller. And then lastly, our outlet. Wonderful. Now lastly, what we're going to do is we're going to use the zip ties to tie off or bundle up the wiring bundle here. So you're going to want to bundle this up as best as you can with your hand, just to make sure everything is out of the way of the fan and the auger motor. And we're going to use a zip tie to nicely bundle that up. And then I like to use 2 zip ties. And the last step is just to reinstall the bottom plate using the rest of your 4 screws. So that is how you swap the controller and the outlet on one of our Elite Pellet Pro Hopper assemblies for mounting it on the right side of your grill. If you have any questions, go to our website, smokedaddyinc.com. Give us a call, 847-336-1329. Thanks for looking, and go start cooking.